Hi, we are Team Deepfin. We want to use DeFi to solve one of the largest challenges in supply chain finance industry. Deep tier financing connects smaller suppliers down the supply chain with established large company to make financing smaller companies much easier. So this is the normal payment structure. A supplier submits an invoice and they receive the payment in 30, 60, 90 days or even later. In order to understand deep tier financing, I will quickly explain reverse factoring. Supplier and big company directly go to a bank, validate their invoice, and bank gives an instant payment to the supplier. The big company directly pays to the bank in that amount of duration. It's a win-win for all three of the parties since supplier gets a lower financing cost, big company is able to pay later, and the bank gets to charge higher interest rate. So deep tier financing is an extension of reverse factoring wherein you try to fund multiple suppliers down the chain. So this, in the current scenario, you will have to get all the invoices and try to link back all the transaction, which would be very costly, and the final amount that the bank would make would be low. So now we want to solve this deep tier financing problem in a very different manner. A direct supplier and the big company can come to us and give the invoice. We will directly mint some fungible cash flow tokens based on the invoice amount to supplier one, which can then be used as tokens along the whole supply chain. And any supplier can come to us, give those tokens as collateral and get instant money. Our tokens would be repaid by the big company, and anyone who is holding those tokens can redeem or borrow against it. Now I will quickly go through the demo. So this is the supplier screen. They can fill in the anchor, they can fill in the payment date, they can upload the invoice, they can add in the amount. So I will quickly submit this, and on this they finally see a legal contract which they can approve and then confirm the transaction. So this is the supplier screen. This is handled using a multisig wallet, which is a new multisig wallet for every anchor. Now I will switch to the anchor account and go to this approvals window quickly. So this window is divided into 3 tabs, that is pending, approved, and rejected. Any owner can either approve or reject any transaction. I will quickly deny a transaction. So basically now this will go from pending tab to rejected tab, as you can see over here. Now I will approve one of the transactions. So that anchor would see this legal contract again, and they would have to confirm the transaction. So each invoice is uploaded to IPFS and can be seen at any time by the anchor. And the approved transaction would lead to minting of those fungible tokens directly to the supplier. So these are all the approved transactions that have been there till now. The anchor can either repay in USD or they can USDC, or they can repay in USD, which we are using Circle to implement. And those cash flow tokens would be visible on the home screen, which are there with the supplier. So you can see that 189 balance amount for this third token number is already there. They can either borrow against those balance of tokens through our credit delegation model integrated with Aave. They can either redeem if the total amount is repaid by the anchor, they can redeem, or they can transfer to another supplier.